So the speed cleaning apron was originally invented around 40 years ago by the founder of speed cleaning, Jeff Campbell. He specifically designed this apron, the speed cleaning apron, to have a specific purpose for every pocket and every design, every part, every component of the apron was intended to save you time. When you're cleaning, everything about the speed cleaning apron is supposed to save you time. I'm wearing a pink one today because I thought it would show up better on the video. You have it in all sorts of other colors. I got it set up right now, just kind of a generic apron setup. One thing that you can see here on the side is our loops, and our loops are specifically stitched. You can see here, the loops are specifically stitched in more than one place so that they're not just like hanging loops off the side where you have to fiddle with it to get your cleaning bottle in. Instead, they're sewn this way so that you can just put your cleaner in without even looking. And the reason for that, of course, is that it saves you time. You always keep the same bottle on the same side every time you clean. And of course, you want to wear your cleaning apron from start to finish. No need to take your cleaning apron off while you're doing a job. One of the things we have here, we've got 7 pockets. The speed cleaning apron has 7 pockets. Each pocket has a specific use and purpose. In between each of the pockets and at every seam where the pocket meets another part, the apron is triple stitched. And the reason for that is because you're pulling things in and out of these aprons all day long, and the triple stitching makes the apron much sturdier, makes it last longer. You don't have rips and tears all through the apron. The top row here has 4 smaller pockets and 1 larger pocket. Our larger pocket is for carrying your cotton cloths. So you have your stack of cloths for whatever room you're about to clean, and you just put in your cotton cloths and you're ready to go. The little pockets here that you're seeing up here, they're all different depths. I know you can't really see that on the video, but this first pocket is longer, and this first pocket is kind of for extra debris and things like that. The second pocket here is for your toothbrush, and of course this isn't just like your regular teeth cleaning toothbrush. This is a very serious toothbrush. It's got very sturdy bristles. This pocket here is for your plastic scraper. You pull that out, you pop off your dried pancake batter, and you can slide it back in, no problem. The last pocket, the little small pocket here, is for your metal razor blade holder. And I actually don't have one here, or at least I couldn't find mine. There's a metal razor blade holder that would go in here, and that's for things that require something a little bit heavier duty than our plastic scrapers. If you're trying to get like paint splatters or soap scum off a glass door, your oven, once it's wet, you can pull out your metal razor blade holder for jobs like that. Part of speed cleaning is learning the method, learning the system. And one of the rules of speed cleaning is if the tool you're using isn't getting the job done, move to a heavier duty tool. In that case, you might move from this to this, or you might move from your sponge to your metal razor scraper. So we have our bottles, we have our apron tools right here, we have our cotton cloths or whatever cleaning cloth you're using in your business or while you're cleaning. Then we have these 2 large pockets here on the front. So these large pockets right now, I have some apron liners in them. These are reusable. Let me grab one of these. These are reusable, sturdy plastic pocket liners. We put extra debris here, so while you're cleaning it, you come across something and you need to clean it off real quick. You can grab your whisk broom and just whisk it right into your pocket. You're saving time by not going back to your trash can in every room every time you come upon some trash or debris or something like that. And then this other pocket here is where we can keep wet things. Also the reason for the apron liner, you have a wet sponge, your wet white pad, walnut pad, what have you. You just put it right back in here and it keeps your apron protected and it keeps your clothing protected. Wet stuff for our debris. We have our pocket for our cleaning cloths. We have an individual pocket for each of our apron tools, and we have our loops for our red juice and for our blue juice. Every time we walk into a room, it's always the same setup. You're very quick at grabbing the tools that you need. Now, if you're cleaning a bathroom versus a kitchen versus a living room, some of these items are going to be swapped out. You might have furniture polish, a little bottle of furniture polish in your apron. You might have scum bum here instead of one of the others. You might have a floor cleaner. You might have a number of other things, your whisk broom. You can see my feather duster. When I come upon something, I'm just going to feather dust it away. I'm going to just stick it back in my back pocket, or I'm going to stick it in the apron loop and continue on with my cleaning. You can also see I have my pin here. I have my pin here, my speed cleaning pin. This is for companies who have been speed cleaning certified. So each of the speed cleaning employees and cleaners and companies who have gone through the speed cleaning certification process should have one of these pins. So if you have been certified in speed cleaning in 2024, you want to have your 2024 pin. You can put it on your apron, you can put it on your uniform, wherever you want to put it. I like to keep it on the apron. I'm currently not wearing a uniform. That is the speed cleaning apron, all explained. Go get yourself an apron and save yourself tons of time.